Ciao! Today we are going to be learning a new question. The question is Tutto a posto, which means is everything okay? This is a question that could be asked at a ristorante, at a restaurant, when a waitress or waiter comes and asks how your food is. Some ways that you could answer. You can say va bene. Let's practice that. Va bene. That means it is fine. You could also say è delizioso, which means it is delicious. You could say è squisito. Think of the word exquisite. Another way that you could say is è fantastico, which means it is fantastic. È buonissimo. It is really good or great. What about if it wasn't good? Some ways that you could answer that is non è di mio gusto. It is not my taste. È troppo salato. It is too salty. È troppo piccante. It is too spicy. Manca sale. It lacks salt. È insipito. It is bland. È bruciato. It is burnt. And then some ways that they might answer is grazie if you gave them a compliment, or mi dispiace, I am sorry, if it was not good. So these are some helpful phrases to know, especially if you go to a ristorante, a restaurant, in knowing the question that they are asking, tutto a posto, and also some ways that you can answer whether it's something that's really good or something that is not so good. Also, one more thing to keep in mind that esquisito, even though it sounds like exquisite, it actually means it is fabulous. All right, so for today, write down below 1 or 2 ways that you could answer this question, and let me know if you have any domande, if you have any questions. All right, ciao!